Hello, today I'm shopping at Walmart. Good morning. Air fresheners. I have other things that I need to pick up, so I'm shop for some other things as well. As you can see, this is what is presented as you walk into the store. I'm going to go over here and pick up something that I have on my list. But today I am looking for air freshener. I'm purchasing the air freshener so that I have it stocked up in my house for an upcoming family gathering. I'm looking for air freshener primarily for the bath. So again, I am at Walmart, and I'm just looking to see where we could possibly be. And they do have, let's say, the aisles labeled, which is good. And I can see aisle 24 is where the air fresheners are. As you can see, I'm approaching aisle 24/25. So, I'm going down this aisle. With different items. As you can see, again, I'm looking for air fresheners for the actual room. Here we are. Here's some that are by Blade, Febreze, different types that you can purchase. Again, I'm looking for the kind that you spray in the air, and it would be for the bath. This is interesting. As you can see, here's one by Glade, which is a value pack, limited edition, and it's actually a refill. So keep looking good. See if I see anything else. Fabric softeners. And here's some. So I'm looking at and down here. This is a value pack. And as you can see, they have all kinds of air freshener scents. Games. Even have some plugins. And it says it lasts up to 50 days. Now that's interesting. Now I could use this in the bathroom because I do have a light switch. And this says it's an oil warmer, so it's not really the whole thing. So you have the actual plug, and then you have the actual scent that you put in the plug. And so, I'm just trying to see if there was anything else that they had. Here's some of the actual for the room. But again, what I'm looking for is air freshener. Check this out. It's Lysol. Lysol actually sanitizes the air. Gives you a scent, and it kills germs. So let's take a look at this. So it's Lysol, eliminates odors. And It kills bacteria. I think this is something that I should actually look into. As you can see, it says it's scientifically proven. And since it's for the bathroom, I think this would be probably the better thing to purchase because it also sanitizes the air. So of all the things that I see here, as you can see, it's well stocked with different brands, as you can see. But I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually buy the Lysol air sanitizer. This is my best bet. It's maybe a couple dollars more, but it actually, like I said, sanitizes, it then kills bacteria, and it just doesn't cover up the odors. It eliminates the odors. So this is what I will be purchasing today. This ends my video.